today I pledge to build on that strength, to unlearn and relearn processes that would support the business priorities and the changing business demands.
I pledge to bring awareness to the voice of our customer so that it's easier for us all to solve our customer pain points.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
I'll pledge we'll take all the opportunities which will enable and simplify the processes for our stakeholders, which will make them to deliver on time, every time.
I pledge to hire the best university talents for PayPal in India.
I pledge to make IDC to IDC, which is Innovation Development Center.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
PayPal is all about passion. Whatever we do, work, sports, dance, whatever we do in PayPal, we're all happy. And then we just want to keep the passion going. That's about it. That's my pledge.
I want to tell the PayPal brand story in a wonderful way and create a compelling employer of choice story for PayPal.
Hi, I'm Karthik, and what I want to do really this year is to bring PayPal into every Indian's life and make it easy for every Indian to shop and pay online and offline.
It's just fantastic that we have won the award for the 4th time. It's just a reflection of the enabling and empowering culture we have at PayPal.
I think the culture in PayPal India is what is a core strength that helps us win this award year after year.
The new onboarding experience which we thought through and executed recently was the coolest one, which makes the new joinees feel at home from the day one.
It's great to have PayPal win 4 awards in a row for the great places to work, but we will not rest till we achieve the top company to work for in India, and that's our goal.
PayPal lets me bring my whole personality to work. It lets me be myself and lets me connect with people. It gives me the empowerment to do what I can do best, and that for me is a great place to work.
It's a great accolade for us as an organization. We have some really good HR processes in place. People are really motivated to work here. There's a lot of creativity, opportunity for people to give feedback, and it's a very good environment too.
We are the right one to get this.
I think we'll give people platform so that they realize their dreams and aspirations to become what they want to become.
My job is to really help make sure we develop the best people for this company so we can be the best company in the world and not just in India.
For us to be from great to greatest, all we have to do is be cool, have the fantastic attitude, and know what you want to do. Try to be innovative and creative.
As an onboarding ambassador, I want to give the new recruits who come in a seamless, flawless, impeccable experience. In short, it's about giving them the best of the best.
Very small facilities that are given to us, like AC buses. These are very minute things, but at the end of the day, when I look at it, or when I hear about it, I think it's a lot different that PayPal does to keep the employees motivated.
It's a fun place to work.
Excitement, innovation,
An awesome company, friendly people.
Colorful, fun.
Every morning I get up, I want to be here.
Yeah, it's fun.
peace.
A fun place?
Energetic culture.
PayPal is all about passion.
For the champions, stand up.